You see it?
Alright, we're in the market in a crossroad. I will the superstar in our place. In Brighton from school days. I go sell a little thing. And them thing them I buy from the come to Jamaica, them thing. Bongo. You see the man say, be a bongo and them thing there. We should have come here for a long time still.
I will.
Yeah, man, real thing. Superstar. Yeah, man, Rasta. So my number here. How much for one of them? Number 7.
100.
100 that. Give me one now, please.
Marcus.
Give me the mark. You see right now, in Jamaica, you have to support the thing. Rastaman thing. See? What you say? To the world.
Show people that come to Jamaica, yourself come cross road market. And then Rastaman are going from here like a boy.
So, Pastor, you're breaking $100 there.
Yeah.
Give me $100. I can't find more $100.
Big little thing with that. Between uptown and downtown, bigger thing.
Superstar. See my number 7 there, my lucky number. My birth star at 14, but I buy number 7 because my number that. God bless us. You see me? Real thing. Jamaica live and direct. Tell the world.
Live to the world. All of the girls because we're there.
The one of the woman them. Number 7 sir over here, yo. That's how we go for
one of them come and make us happy. My friend them there for and we are thinking about our friend for us to make the thing.
That's it.
Oh, I see like I know so the one is a rate with a more far.
So come back here. We come stop with him to the thing now.
Jamaica in a foreign enough because we are a rate, you know.
Bless the love, yeah. Highly, general, your region, come on. Bless the love, yeah. Till next time, yeah. Alright. The number 7 I run, play, you know, crossroad.
The CD them talk, crossroad, anything.
So the next juggler, hard working man there. Right in that crossroad. Yeah,
mega Kingston.
So they play pretty. The whole of my pipe them. The whole of Jamaica, yo.
Show them over there, sir.
Bro.
Come over here. Come.
Watch it. I'ma say, yo, you know, say the reggae music, the court, I know, in a crossroad, yo. I walk with the Willie D. Be up here, I go in and play live and direct. Watch out. To the world. I don't know. Wicked. I don't know. I fly out soon, I don't know. Yeah, man, I'm bad this. Number 7, you see me? Rastafari. Marcus Carver, we say. One taste you, you don't know. We are pump you. Why you two, we are burning up here now. But you're not done yet, but it's soon done still. You see me? I'll be a video. You see me? Don't know.
Think fast, pizza, please. Come, see? Show your pizza. No. I do
It's a Jamaica full of things.
Yeah, man, show them.
See, Jamaica nice.
You never bring that from first, like everything you want.
Anything you want, you come with the US. And you pay money.
I tell people
Yo, come with Jamaica money, millions of dollars.
Anything you want.
Billions. That's how we stay. Superstar in the place. Where is it? That's how we are running it now. We have built it and chill it in our place, you know, at Jamaica, this, you know. We're big on place. Don't know. Yeah, man. I'm a say real thing, yo.
Downstairs I eat them things, food.
Yeah, that place look pretty.
Papaya. Papaya.
Light not work. What them call it? Oasis.
They eat it, they might eat up there. Don't shoot them the anger, can you never see that?
The teacher that plays on the raps. Let's say, man. But my toes are good luck, you know. Good luck in a crossroad, I'll be a morning.
Building up there, so. Over there, so gas station.
Let's check out that station, that, you know. Tell the billboard there. I'll tell you what, go on there here. Kingston 5. Yeah, boat again, yo. Like if I run Jamaica now.
Over there, so a fatty restaurant. Get the food that you was about.
You know the man say any other morning.
Fatty restaurant.
Real thing. That little restaurant over there, sir.
Work there early, some
Yeah,
morning
man.
time.
Who call it, man? Anytime, man, you can get party early in the morning, right at the restaurant. You see me? Yeah, man, so the thing said. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You see people polite and these things. Number 7, my number. You know? You know what I'm saying? 37 and 21. Alright, we work off at 7. Well,